Got a 12-inch subwoofer and want to unleash its full potential? Today we're counting down the top 5 best car amplifiers that'll make your bass hit hard. Without the right amp, your sub is just coasting. Think supercar stuck in first gear. The amplifier is the powerhouse, delivering clean, consistent energy so you don't just hear the bass, you feel it. But picking the right one can be confusing with all the specs and options out there. That's why I've done the research and narrowed it down to the best 5 amps for your setup. We'll break down what makes each amp special, who they're for, and how they'll transform your car audio. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and check the description below for links to all the amps. Let's get started. At number 5 is the MTX Audio JH15001 Jackhammer, a name that says it all. This monoblock Class D amp is built for efficiency and raw power, pushing out up to 1500 watts RMS at 1 ohm. That's more than enough to drive even the hungriest 12-inch subs. It's flexible too, 1000 watts at 2 ohms, so it'll grow with your system. But it's not just about brute force. The JH15001 gives you precise control with a variable subsonic filter to protect your sub and a low-pass filter to blend your bass seamlessly. There's a bass boost for extra punch, but use it wisely. MTX includes a remote bass knob so you can adjust your bass on the fly. No more fiddling with your head unit while driving. The design is all business. Solid chassis, heavy-gauge terminals, and logical layout for easy installs. This amp is for anyone who wants chest-thumping bass with the flexibility to fine-tune their sound. It's not just loud, it's clean, controlled, and reliable. If you've got a powerful sub, especially a dual voice coil model, the Jackhammer will push it to its limits. High wattage, smart tuning, and daily usability make this a killer foundation for any high-performance car audio system. Whether you're after competition-level SPL, or just want to feel every beat, the MTX Jackhammer delivers. It's a perfect blend of power and precision. If you want your sub to truly sing, this is where you start. No gimmicks, just serious performance. The Jackhammer sets the bar for what a sub-amp should be. Let's move on to our next contender. At number 4 is the Alpine S2-A120M, a name trusted by car audio fans for decades. This S-series amp delivers 1200 watts RMS at both 1 and 2 ohms, giving you total flexibility for single or dual sub setups. It's high-res audio certified, so you get not just power but detailed, accurate bass that brings out every nuance in your music. Alpine's smart design makes installation a breeze. All controls are side-mounted under a removable plate for easy access, even after mounting. The selectable remote turn-on circuit means it works with factory or aftermarket head units, no extra wiring headaches. The compact chassis doubles as a heatsink, keeping things cool and reliable. Build quality is top-notch, with robust connections and a clean, understated look. Add the optional Rux Knob 2 remote for instant bass control from the driver's seat, a must for daily use. This amp can easily power 2 12-inch subs, so you've got room to upgrade. It's perfect for anyone who wants both power and pristine sound, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned installer. The S2-A120M is all about modern convenience and high-fidelity performance. If you want your bass to be as accurate as it is impactful, this is your amp. Alpine's focus on user-friendly features and sound quality makes it a standout. It's a smart, powerful choice for any 12-inch sub setup. Whether you're integrating with a factory system or building from scratch, Alpine has you covered. The S2-A120M is a future-proof investment for your car audio. It's a premium amp without the premium hassle. For those who want the best of both worlds, power and clarity, Alpine delivers. Let's check out something even smarter next. Third on the list, the Kicker Key 500.1, a true game changer. This isn't just an amp, it's a smart amp with built-in DSP that auto-tunes your sub for your specific car. With 500 watts RMS, it's perfect for most single 12-inch subs. Plenty of punch without stressing your car's electrical system. The Key Auto setup uses a microphone and test tones to analyze your car's acoustics, then automatically applies a 24 dB/octave EQ for smooth, accurate bass. No more guesswork, just pro-level tuning in about a minute. It also restores lost bass from factory head units, so you get the full low end your music deserves. The Key 500, one is tiny. Install it under a seat, behind a panel, or anywhere space is tight. It's start-stop compatible and works with almost any factory or aftermarket radio thanks to Kicker's Fit2 integration tech. Controls are simple, but the real magic is in the auto-tuning, making great sound accessible to everyone. This amp is for anyone who wants killer bass without the hassle of manual tuning. If you're intimidated by crossovers and EQs, the Key does it all for you. It's also perfect for modern vehicles with tricky factory systems or limited space. The Key 500. One is a leap forward in car audio, smart, compact, and incredibly effective. It brings pro-level sound to everyday drivers. If you want accuracy and ease, this is your amp. Kicker's innovation makes high-end tuning effortless. It's not just about power, it's about perfected sound. The Key 500. One is a must for anyone who wants great bass, fast. Let's see what's next for the budget-minded bass heads. At number 2 is the Skar Audio RP-1200.1D, the internet's favorite for big bass on a budget. Skar is all about maximum performance per dollar, and this amp delivers a true 1200 watts RMS at 1 ohm. It's built tough, with a high-efficiency MOSFET power supply and 4-way protection circuitry, thermal, voltage, speaker, and DC. The heavy-duty heatsink keeps things cool, even during long, loud sessions. You get all the essential tuning controls: variable low-pass, subsonic filter, and a bass EQ for that extra thump. Skar includes a remote bass knob, no extra charge, so you can adjust your bass instantly. The look is bold, the build is solid, and the terminals handle heavy-gauge wire with ease. This amp is for the bass head who wants to get loud without breaking the bank. It's all about reliable, hard-hitting power at a price that's tough to beat. If you want window-rattling bass and serious value, the RP-1200.1D is your go-to. No fancy features, just pure, affordable power. Let's wrap up with a compact legend. Rounding out our list at number 1 is the Rockford Fosgate R500X1D Prime, a compact legend in car audio. This monoblock delivers 500 watts RMS at 2 ohms, perfect for a single 12-inch sub or a dual 4-ohm wired in parallel. Rockford's clean setup tech uses indicator lights to help you set your gain perfectly. No distortion, just clean power. The cast aluminum heatsink keeps it cool and compact, ideal for stealthy installs under seats or in tight spaces. Punch EQ gives you up to 12 dB of bass boost at 45 Hz, and a phase switch helps integrate your sub with the rest of your system. RCA pass-through outputs make system expansion easy, just daisy-chain to your next amp. Built-in protection features keep your gear safe, even when you push it hard. Add the remote punch level control for easy bass tweaks from the driver's seat. This amp is for anyone who wants reliable, clean power from a trusted brand. It's user-friendly, compact, and built to last. Perfect for daily drivers who want great bass without the hassle. Rockford packs serious performance and features into a small, efficient package. If you want legendary reliability and smart integration, the R500X1D is a top pick. It's a workhorse that lives up to the Rockford name. Now let's wrap things up. There you have it, 5 top amps to power your 12-inch sub, each with its own strengths. From the raw power of the MTX Jackhammer to the smart tuning of the Kicker Key and the unbeatable value of the Skar, there's something for every build and budget. The right amp unlocks your sub's full potential. Tight, accurate, musical bass you can feel. Which one would you pick? Drop your choice in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more car audio guides. Check the description below for links and the latest deals on these amps. Got a favorite amp we missed? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.